Hello, I wanted to present you with a model, an example of some student work here today, just to give you an idea of where you stand, so you can have an idea where you stand on completing the project. Uh, this is what I think is a good student model of what I'm expecting here for the website. So first thing I'm going to check is I'm going to refresh myself with the conventions. I'm looking at the content. I want to make sure it's all original. There's no plagiarism. It's well thought out and accurate, looking at the conventions or how well English is used, how well it's organized, how well the presentation just lays out together. And so here's the website. This is the introductory page. What should the state of Missouri do about fracking? You can see there's some introductory material down there. It kind of draws you into it frames the question and draws you into the website. As we look further through the website, you can see there's a page about what is fracking. It's explained. There's some good graphics which are clear and visible. Lots of good text there to support that. The next page breaks down the pros and cons. I really think this is strong. The pros and cons here, it's not just bullet points. There's text to support each of these. There's an explanation for what's going on inside for each of these advantages or disadvantages. Then there's the proposal. Here's what this student feels should be done about fracking in Missouri, and here's why. It's supported with arguments and well-reasoned. And then finally, there's a citation page. So you can see that there are some citations here to support where this student got his or her information. So use this as kind of a mental guide. Use this as a real guide in what you are looking for, what I'm looking for when I'm going to be grading this exercise. If you have any questions, let me know. Go be awesome.